Hi, it's me. It's Kitty, and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today because why not? This is my car, the smart car. I'm in my garage. Snapcat, Snapcat. Got some ripped jeans that I love, and then the shoes. Be prepared for the shoes. They have pills on them. Here's a Molly dolphin. Can't really see it. Adderall 30, Adderall 10, a Xanax bar. Yeah. See, there you go. You can see dolphin now. And all my other charms. My gibbets. Hell yeah. The dollar sign. That crystal. Eggplant emoji. Hell yeah. So, let's talk. I went to Goodwill today, and I went to Fry's to pick up my mom's meds. They're in my car still. Whoops. Thankfully, it wasn't her diabetes medication because that needs to be refrigerated. But anyway, I went to Fry's, and then I went to Goodwill, and I bought a puzzle. It was the only puzzle they had that was 500 pieces. The other was 100 pieces, and I am not going to spend $4 on a puzzle that will take me 5 minutes. You know what I mean? So I bought the 500 piece. They were both Marvel related, unfortunately. Which is funny because my socks are actually Spider-Man. And I ended up buying a Spider-Man puzzle. So, yeah, that was cool. In front of me, I have dabs. And I had my vape, but I left it in my room. Damn it. Some magic will happen from this plate. Let's watch as my eyes become redder and redder. Starting now. No red eyes. My lungs hurt. Eyes aren't red enough. But anyway, when I mean plate, I mean like a coaster that's made of marble. Here's another one. Both made of marble, different marbles. And my family just smokes off them. Not my whole family, just the ones that smoke. But yeah, they're pretty awesome. Eyes still not red. Lungs hurting. I'm done. Bye.